Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video, we're going to talk about top furniture trends. If you are ready to give your space a trendy yet timeless update, then here are some furniture trends with bold innovations and stylish surprises that will redefine your living environment. This season, the world of interior design invites us to blend the old with the new, crafting timeless spaces on the cusp of cutting edge. So, let's get started. Bending the rules of traditional furniture forms, sculptural designs continue to define furniture trends. Incorporate a piece with a bold shape. Think a scalloped edge console or an irregular chandelier to infuse artistry and movement into your interior design ideas. A cocooning sofa or armchair is still a good idea, and it can act as a stunning statement piece, blending function with visual interest. Intricate touches are what sets your interior apart, offering personality and flair. Look for this kind of beauty in the specifics, from intricate leg designs to decorative seams such as flange welts. Focus on one standout piece like a chair or a sofa with unique detailing to infuse your space with redefined craftsmanship. It's a simple way to convey complexity and intrigue without overwhelming your existing decor. Genuine wood, especially in darker tones, takes center stage, echoing a return to nature, organic simplicity, and durable quality. Furniture trends celebrate its rich grain and texture, from the deep tones of mahogany to the light, airy feel of bamboo and oak. To bring this interior design trend into your home, consider placing a key piece of furniture like your coffee table or bookshelf with a wooden alternative showcasing natural grain. With an unparalleled sense of openness and light, clear and colored glass introduces a touch of elegance to the interior landscape. A glass shelving, dining or coffee table can open up a room, making it appear larger and airier. Use it in decor and accents to add a layer of sophistication without overwhelming the space. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The latest furniture trend featured in recent design shows celebrate contrast. A bold departure from monochromatic themes is also reflected in the re-emergence of gold and silver metallic tones, adding a dash of glamour. Start small by incorporating mixed material accessories, combining metal with wood and glass, and using different upholstery fabrics to add a complementary edge to your rooms. The key is balance, so make sure that each material shines without clashing. Trending furniture, particularly couches, now prioritizes comfort without sacrificing style. Sofa trends are bringing us deep, oversized designs as well as armchairs that you can really sink into. Pair these plush pieces with sleek decor to let them truly stand out and define the space. Also, consider swapping out a more formal seating option for trending dining chairs that will make long dinner parties a dream. Reflecting the ultimate luxury in interior design, tailored solutions perfectly fit individual spaces and tastes. New furniture trends allow you to express your style, whether through custom-made accents or bespoke layouts that challenge conventional designs. Consider adding a made-to-fit bookshelf that wraps elegantly around your living room's unique contours, or custom console table designed to fit your entryway's specific dimensions. The cyclic nature of trends reminds us that what goes around comes around, especially in design. This year, the charm of yesteryears finds its place in modern homes through carefully selected unique elements that tell a story. Integrate an antique or vintage piece such as a sideboard or mirror as an accent piece into your contemporary decor. It will create a compelling contrast, offering a nostalgic charm that personalizes your space. Happy colors are painting our interiors with optimism. The palette for this year is all about embracing schemes that uplift and energize, from sunny yellows to soft peaches. These hues work wonders in spaces that crave a touch of warmth. Pair them with neutral furniture, allowing the accents to pop without overwhelming the senses. Furniture trends combine aesthetics with practicality in every aspect, promoting interiors that can withstand the rigors of daily life but appear luxurious at the same time. Modern spill-resistant performance fabric upholstery, for example, makes maintenance a breeze, even if you have pets and toddlers around. Opt for a chic finish that is also pleasant to touch, ensuring enjoyable daily use. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.